Did you know that over 1.5 million new games are created on Roblox every single month? That's right, it's a wild number that shows just how creative and ambitious the Roblox community is. Imagine being part of that wave of game developers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, turning your game ideas into reality on Roblox. The best part, it's super accessible. Whether you're a total newbie or have some experience, there's a place for you in the Roblox development scene. So, let's get started on this journey together. Now, before we jump into the fun stuff, let's chat about some common hurdles that many creators face when it comes to developing their games. First off, there's always the issue of resources. Not everyone has access to fancy tools or tons of money to invest in their game. Plus, if you're just starting out, the learning curve can feel a bit overwhelming. You might be thinking, where do I even begin? Or maybe you've got an awesome idea but don't know how to bring it to life. And let's not forget about collaboration. Finding teammates who share your vision can be tricky. These challenges can seem daunting, but don't worry, they're all part of the process. 1. Get to know Roblox Studio. First things first, you need Roblox Studio. It's the magical tool where all the game building action happens. If you haven't downloaded it yet, do so now. When you open it up, you'll see a bunch of options. For newbies, starting with a template is like having training wheels on a bike. It makes everything a lot less wobbly. 2. Sketch out your game idea. Before you dive into building, let's get a bit of planning done. Think about what your game will be like. Are you creating an epic quest where players fight giant rubber ducks? Or maybe a cozy cafe where avatars can sip virtual lattes? Jot down a few ideas, nothing too fancy, just a rough outline to guide your creativity. 3. Build your game world. Now, let's get to the fun part, building. Use Roblox Studio to place objects, create landscapes, and set up your game environment. Think of it like playing with virtual Lego blocks. If you mess up, don't worry, just hit undo and try again. Your game world doesn't need to be perfect from the start, so let your creativity run wild. Point 4. Script like a pro, or at least try to. Scripting is where you make your game come to life. Roblox uses Lua for this, and while it might seem a bit intimidating, it's really not that bad. Start with simple scripts like making a door open when someone walks into it. There are tons of beginner tutorials out there to help you become a scripting superstar, or, at least, a scripting sidekick. 5. Test, and test again. Once you've built something, it's time to test it out. In Roblox Studio, hit the play button and see how your game works. It's like a dress rehearsal before the big show. Get some friends to playtest it, too. They'll help you spot any glitches or areas that need tweaking. The goal is to make sure everything runs smoothly and is as fun as you envisioned. 6. Tweak and polish. Based on your testing, you'll probably need to make some adjustments. Fix those bugs, refine the gameplay, and add any finishing touches. Think of it like adding the final sprinkles to your game cupcake. The more you refine it, the better it will be. 7. Publish and share. When you're happy with your creation, it's time to share it with the world. Hit that publish button in Roblox Studio and let everyone enjoy your game. The best part, you'll get to see players diving in and having fun with something you created. It's like being a proud parent, but for your game. And there you have it, your guide to turning your Roblox game ideas into reality. It's all about starting simple, using the tools and resources available, and not being afraid to make mistakes. With a bit of patience and a lot of creativity, you're well on your way to creating something amazing. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Got questions or game ideas? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.